As you can see, this is how Parrot used to take groundnuts and drink water. Very amazing. It really makes me happy because I have not been doing life with this kind of animal. It's a vet that used to call people name. Wow. We have been hearing about this. As you can see, it entered the rubber, used its mouth to take one granite, and the granite is big. It used its leg to hold on the granite and step by step eating the granite up to the time that it will swallow it. As you can see, it's going to take another granite. It takes and it runs back to where it used to eat it.